Welcome back, Queens and Kings. So let's begin. So these items that I have here are actually like frames or whatever, home decor from the Dollar Tree, of course. But I had this one a while back. It's say 1 o'clock. And then I have this one here out of the office and sarcasm welcome. But we're not worried about the wording on it because I'm actually going to scrape those off. Which, since this one already coming loose, I'm going to start off with this one. I'm going to use a blade to do so. I may need to get some type of liquid to actually help scrape it off, but we're going to try with the razors first to see what it scraped.
You did not do your man. Like 1, 2, 3. Damn, y'all feel it? Oh. Like 1, 2, 3. The heart keeps turning. Oh, what a day. What a day, what a day. But then I know something, knows that he knows nothing at all. Does it seem colder in your summertime?
All right, so they all done. I have these scripts here from Temu. So I'm gonna use these for the inside of each one of the frames. Okay, so I have the frames. I done did at least one off camera, and the largest one I'm spray painting it black. Since I couldn't get the glass and everything, got to spray paint them all silver. So I'm just gonna make do, improvise. So the largest one that was white, that's gonna be that's being spray painted black. So I'm doing coats on it, so therefore hopefully it turn out pretty well. But anyway, so let's move on to this. So I done cut down my scripts. I got some at 4s as well as 2s. So on the inside is where I'm gonna put the ones that is 4, but I'm gonna start in the back here, in the middle of it here, to the very edge. I'll show you guys in a minute if you can't see. You know, I done got rusty with DIY, so I'm trying, y'all, to get back into my main love, first love of YouTube. All right, so this is pretty much how this looks. Okay, so now that I'm finished, I done all that I could do, put the mirrors on. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and do the other part, this black part that you see here. So I have these, also these little faux mirror tiles here. You can find some real ones at any craft store. These are self-adhesive too. I showed you guys these in a haul. If you haven't seen the haul, go back and check it out. I inserted. So they have the mirror, faux mirror. These are faux mirrors, but they have the clear plastic on the top of it to protect it. But once I peel it off, it looks so good. So yeah, but I'm going to use these at the top of there. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and peel off the mirror film that's on top of these. Let me show you how good these look as in real mirrors for a faux mirror anyways. This is how I look. These are pretty. Now you could use these just as this, you know, leave it as you want, put it like a wall decor or something like that. You know, it's all up to you. But what we're gonna do with it is, so I have these candle holders that I purchased from Amazon a while back. Dollar Tree was carrying these, but these went out fast. You know why? Because they look like crystals. So, and you know, stuff like that. have a Spencer look actually goes fast out of the Dollar Tree. And then I have these little knobs here. These are from Amazon too as well. So what I'm going to do is basically glue these together. And I'm going to use my Temu cordless chargeable glue gun. I'm not sure have it heated up real good yet or not, but I put Gorilla Glue sticks in there. In case this have not heated up good enough for me, I do have a backup. The electric wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And that's before y'all time. Y'all don't know nothing about that. But let's see. Ooh, well, I do like how it's coming out seamless. So pretty much I'm going to put that up under here. Now, if you want this to be pretty much permanent, use adhesive glue. A strong adhesive glue. Dollar Tree does sell adhesive glue that is pretty good. That's up to you, but for video purpose, I'm just using hot glue, which I'm using Gorilla Glue sticks. Those last pretty well too. Long you don't do too much roughness with it, it'll last long. So now we're gonna place it on the side here. You can put it in the middle, wherever you want to put it, but pretty much I'm gonna do the side, I think. Okay, remember my backing. So we're gonna do this side here. A little crooked. Ooh. Now you don't need to press too hard on that glue gun. I noticed that. If not, a whole lot of glue come out if you do. So, okay. So this is what we have. This is how this looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two off camera and we'll be back. All right, Queens and Kings. So here are my candle holders. Well, table decor piece, whatever you want to call it. But I love the way that these turned out. Now, I don't think I did explain to you guys that I got this inspiration from Galleria, where they have these candle holders, but they are more in all crystal, baby. So those are so beautiful. But I was like, you know what? I could remake that. I could remake that because I couldn't afford it. So I'm going to remake it in my own form of action. So basically this is how they look, and I have to say I love the mirror look of it. It's so simple and just beautiful, just gorgeous. So what do you Queens and Kings think about these candle holders? Will you make some for yourself? Now you don't have to be mirror. It can actually be some type of self-adhesive bling, you know, whatever. It could actually just be the frame itself. It don't have to be crystal. It don't have to be glam. It could be a modern look as well. All right, Queens and Kings. So for the second DIY here, I was also inspired by Galleria. So I have some actually adhesive glue from Dollar Tree, as well as some tape, this bowl from the Dollar Tree, and these crystals are actually just crystal knobs off the little Amazon little crystal knobs that a whole lot of us have DIY with or use them for something, but a couple of them has fallen off, as you all can see, so I decided to keep the crystals, but anyways, Galleria have this big gold bowl with the balls attached to it. I have done a DIY similar to it once before, but I decided to make it crystal this time. So basically what I am doing is placing some hot glue down on the crystal as well as the adhesive. The hot glue is going to hold the crystals in place until the adhesive glue actually dries up. So I'm basically doing an offset method from what I do on one side, I do on the opposite side, even though it's a round bowl. So that can help me actually balance out the crystals going around the bowl. So I'm gonna continue doing this until it is all done. All right, Queens and Kings, so you see that I have placed some tape around some of the crystals. Basically, the tape come in place to hold the crystal in place as well as it drying and everything. So I'm actually going to let this dry overnight before I actually remove the tape. All right, queens and kings, so that is it. My last and final DIY, which I love this little bowl here. It could be a catch-all bowl. You see right now I just have some crystals in there, but I think it's so beautiful and a great statement piece. So anyone asks you how did you make them, telling you follow Queen Valerie over here at Valerie Glamorous Castle DIYs, and I show you guys how to do it. But I love this DIY. So if your queens and kings enjoyed the DIYs, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this queen will talk to you all in the next one. You all continue to be royal. And with that being said, you guys be blessed. Bye bye.